In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. This one. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent in the pop-up. When you're ready, use this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. You can check out preview at the top. To try something more interesting, you can also hit presets on the left and try one of those by clicking on the best one and hitting yes. Then adjust its settings. Click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Yes. Tap on Apply at the bottom right corner and decide where by choosing one of those options. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!